I look like a little Instagram baddie with this hair and these eyebrows. Like what are those called? Butterball. Butterball. I want to make sure I'm not walking around like a butterball. This is pigmented as sh. Someone yesterday called me out. They're like, are those freckles real? And I'm like, bitch, no. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝓉𝒾𝓂𝓅𝓈 and I create videos on beauty and fashion. In today's video, I want to show you how I got this final look. This is all using Refy Beauty products. They are a new makeup brand that actually just launched in Sephora during the pandemic. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. We're gonna start with a gloss highlighter and I'm gonna mix it in with my moisturizer. The moisturizer that I'm using is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors HA. It is janky and beat up. Mix it in a little bit, not too much. I think it might have been too much, but that's okay. Ooh, this is satisfying. I've actually never used this in my primer and it's really looking good. My face is getting like this overall natural glow that I really like. Normally I use the face gloss just like on top, like as a highlighter, but this is such a nice versatile product that it feels comfortable on the skin. It looks healthy, it doesn't look oily. I don't think I'm gonna do the full foundation, but I will do a little bit of concealer. I just use this GRWM concealer on any red spots or like dark circles or anything. Refy does not have foundations out yet, so we are waiting patiently for that. I almost feel like it might be actually a little too glowy, which is something I never say. Yeah, because it's just like a little bit greasy here, so I just want to make sure that I'm not looking around like what are those called? Butterball. Butterball. I want to make sure I'm not walking around like a butterball. My hair's so freaking damaged. Look at this. All this, that's like breakage. It's tragic. Okay, we're gonna do my favorite product. I think the bronzer and the brush together are my favorite. I actually picked this up in like a billion different colors, like literally all the colors that they had, but my favorite was the tan one because it's just like this medium shade. I want to show you how beautiful it is on the skin. This brush is so freaking amazing. It disperses cream products like airbrushed, so natural, so buildable. I think the key with this brush is to really go in hard with the product and then go with a light hand. That's how I kind of like to use it, which is like, it definitely can be a little bit scary at first, but I've gotten a hang of this brush. I've never used a brush like this. It's really something special. Already, it's just looking so flawless. Like I could literally stop here with those products and be happy with it, but we got a whole lot more to go through. The blush is so cute and teeny. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Look how tiny this blush is. It's so baby, look, finger for scale. But sometimes I feel guilty if I have too big of a product and then I get tired of it before I can finish it. Do you know what I mean? So this is perfect because I feel like this is gonna give you what you need. So this is the blush in Malaya and it's like a cream consistency. Makes me feel very like I'm going to tea. You know, very like posh. Yeah, this is pigmented as shit. I'm just like dipping in lightly and then just like tapping. Next I wanna do my fake freckles. I've been on this fake freckle train. Someone yesterday called me out. They're like, are those freckles real? And I'm like, bitch, no. Yeah, I've been using the Freck one. I have it in like the deep shade, but I want to get it in the lighter shade too because I want to do like dimension. And honestly, I kind of want to get freckle tattoos on my face. Imagine that, just having your first tattoo be a face tat. That'd be crazy. I like to carry this around in my purse because sometimes I feel like my mask will rub it off and you can like touch it up while you're out. You don't have to worry too much about it throughout the day, but just beware that if it does get wet, it's gonna be like bright orange. So just keep that in mind. I was a little bit late to the train on this, but this is my favorite product that I've used all year, I think. The longer you let it stay on, the deeper it gets. I'm actually gonna scoot in so that you guys can see. You do not want to use setting spray after this. I had to learn that the hard way because it'll just start to drip. It's so cute. Like, look how cute and innocent I look on this side of my face. When you pat it, it kind of just like disperses the product and makes it like fade a little bit into the skin so that it looks natural. I met this like really annoying girl last night and she was like, are your freckles real? And I'm like, bitch, if you're asking, obviously it's not real. Okay, eyebrows is my favorite part. So we're gonna take the Refy 3-stage brow kit. My two favorite products from this trio is the pencil and the Sculpt. This packaging is freaking genius. Look. Okay, you got the brush. And now if you twist it, you have the product. Like, I just love when brands don't like get their packaging from like Alibaba and they like make it themselves. Cause a lot of brands do that. Like I'm pretty sure, you know, Halsey, her packaging is definitely AliExpress. Not trying to throw shade, actually. I feel like that might be rude. But yeah, so all I'm trying to say is that I like that they went custom with this. Well, actually, you know what? Before I go with the Sculpt, I want to put some brow pomade on just to make it even more intense because I like big brows. This is the e.l.f. Brow Wow or some shit. What is it called? It's so good. Look at this. Look at this brow, okay? Now look at this brow. Huge difference. While that dries, maybe we'll do mascara. This mascara I have been obsessed with. This is the Kosas mascara. Normally I don't like spending money on mascara because I feel like it's a waste. Like I feel like you're just gonna go through it and you're gonna need another one next month. But this I will spend money on. It gives my lashes so much volume, so wispy, so like sexy, sultry. I was used to be like hooked on this $5 Essence one, and this has definitely taken its place. The combination of the freckles and the mascara, like the black mascara, the brown freckles, makes my eyes look so light brown. So I have been experiencing a lot of hair loss, and I think it's because of the COVID vaccine. I don't know if you guys are experiencing that as well. I was thinking of making like a hair journey because guys, I can go like this and at any given point, a lot of strands of hair will come out. So it's like a little concerning. So let me know if you guys wanted to see like a vlog on that and just see how it goes. Yeah, this mascara is amazing. Right, back to the sculpt. This waxy kind of formula is like a clear, thick material consistency. And I'm gonna use this to flatten my brows down so that we can get like a laminated look. You gotta like angle it flat to the face so it looks like really glued down and flat. It's all about the angles. I look really surprised right now. I think we need to fill my brows in, otherwise I'll just be like shocked all day. This is the skinniest brow pencil I've ever used in my entire life. You guys, the tip on this one is probably a millimeter, like maybe less. I love all their packaging. It's like all so sleek and just simple and minimalist, but this is like the cutest little skinniest pencil. No, I can't. I actually cannot use this right now because I put too much of the wax on, so it's not going on smooth, so I'm actually gonna use a pen. My pen it's not Refy, it's like a NYX. I've talked about this like 5,000 times in my other videos, but it is a NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen. This is the only brow pen that I use. It's got a really fine tip. Makes it so easy to make really precise, realistic looking hairs. 𝓉𝒾𝓂𝓅𝓈 is gonna save the day. This is the, what is this? It doesn't tell you what color. The fuck? She's Proud. So this is the 𝓉𝒾𝓂𝓅𝓈 Precision Lip Crayon in She's Proud. You just gotta get used to this like weird tip because it's like very thick. See? I don't know. It's a little thick for me, but you just gotta get used to like the angle of it. I look like a little Instagram baddie with this hair and these eyebrows. Just putting the little hairs in front of my brows really just like calmed it down because I don't know, I went in with the brows today. But yeah, guys, other than that, hopefully there's hair in my eye. Hopefully you found this video helpful if you want to buy anything from the Refy Beauty line. Hopefully this has like informed you on what is good. If you want to see like the full line being reviewed, check out my other video. I'll just link it up here. And that is like me going in depth, product swatches, like everything. But this I just felt like would be cute to put like a full look together. And hopefully you guys found this fun. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me and I will see you in the next one. Bye.